Before you think that big case closing requires you to have rich connections, I want to prove to you how ordinary advisors like yourself have benefited from learning how to close bigger cases. This is not some fluffy theory I'm going to teach you, but real, solid, and practical strategies that have been proven to work by many advisors in the market. Hi, this is Dr. Sanjay Tolani, the family leader of Sanjay Mentoring Family. I've helped hundreds of thousands of financial advisors like yourself who are struggling to become better financial advisors. In 2020, I've successfully closed more than 200 MDRT. But before you think it was a smooth journey, I want to share with you a personal story that is very close to my heart. It's about a period of time that happened 10 years ago when nobody believed my vision. Do you believe someone can achieve his or her MDRT in just one case? Here's what happened. Many years back, I was trying to convince other advisors around me that you can actually clear your MDRT in one case. The reason why many of us can't achieve it is because we've never taught how to, or because we have limited beliefs. Many around me don't believe in what I said. They challenged me to show them my results to convince them. So I did. I started doing one MDRT in one case. They said it was luck. I started doing 3 MDRTs in one case. They said I was exaggerating. And for a long period of time, I've stopped sharing the idea that you could achieve your MDRT in one case. I knew I needed to use my own results to convince people. In 2018, I did 90 MDRT. In 2019, I achieved 120 MDRT. This year, I've crossed 120 MDRT by July. Some advisors are still skeptical about how I achieve these results, and I thought, why not let me share it with a small group of advisors to prove my hypotheses right. So in late December 2019, I decided to set up the Big Case Closer family because I really want to show people how to do it, and I truly want everyone in the mentoring family to start thinking big. And here are some of the amazing results we've gotten. We have seen members in the program opening up bigger cases. Even some opened up cases 10 or even $50 million, which is like 100 times bigger than what they used to do. We have seen members in the program improving their income by 100 or even 500%. We have seen new advisors who joined the program closing cases that are 50% larger than they used to do. And the list goes on. But among these members, a few of them managed to win the challenge of achieving their MDRT with one case and were awarded the Big Case Closer Award. They are Benedict, Deanna, and Kaka. I am super proud of them because they took action, applied the strategies they have learned, and produced amazing results for themselves. Benedict managed to secure his first COT with us after closing his one big case. Deanna managed to achieve her first top of the table with us after closing her one big case. Kaka managed to secure her repeated COT with us after closing her one big case. Seeing is believing. I want to show you how real advisors are closing their sales in 2020 and how you could potentially master the art of big case closing too. I hope this video inspires you to challenge your limitations and help you think bigger in 2021. Over the last few months, I've received many messages to open up more slots to the Big Case Closer family because many advisors were disappointed when I stopped enrolling people into this mentorship back then. For those of you who are asking, so I'm super excited to announce that the official Big Case Closer 2021 official enrollment will commence on 15th of December 2020. This is a mentorship program designed to teach advisors like yourself on how to close bigger cases in 2021. Basically, I've compiled my 18 years of experience into one mentorship program where I will literally guide you through step by step on how to close larger cases size in 2021. If you are interested to learn about how to close bigger cases in 2021, I've actually prepared a tutorial video for you. All you have to do is to share this video and comment. Tell me more, and I'll send you the video so you can apply those strategies and see more results for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. This is Dr. Sanjay Tolani. Together, let's make financial planning easier and happier for everyone.